Basic Forex Trading Strategies for Beginners. Here are some basic strategies that can help you as a beginner. Trend trading. This is one of the simplest and most popular strategies, especially for beginners. It involves identifying the direction of the market and trading in that direction. Traders look for upward bullish or downward bearish trends and open positions that align with the trend. For example, if the EUR/USD is consistently moving upwards, a trend trader would buy, anticipating further upward movement. Range trading. In range trading, a trader identifies price levels where a currency pair repeatedly moves between a high and a low point called support and resistance levels. The goal is to buy at the support level the lowest price and sell at the resistance level the highest price. This strategy works best in stable markets without significant price breakouts. Breakout trading. Breakout trading focuses on entering the market when a currency pair breaks out of a predefined range or pattern, such as a triangle or horizontal channel. The idea is to catch the start of a new trend early. This strategy requires good timing and can be highly profitable, but it also carries a higher risk if the breakout is a false signal. Scalping. Scalping is a short-term strategy where traders aim to profit from small price changes within a short period. Positions are held for minutes or even seconds. Due to the high frequency of trades, scalping can be intense and requires a lot of attention. It's recommended for beginners to start slow before trying this method. Swing trading. Swing trading falls somewhere between day trading and long-term investing. Positions are held for a few days to weeks, allowing traders to take advantage of medium-term price movements. This strategy combines both technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential swings in the market. Position trading. This is a long-term strategy where traders hold positions for weeks, months, or even years. Position traders focus on long-term trends and typically avoid day-to-day market fluctuations. This method requires patience and a deep understanding of market fundamentals, making it more suitable for beginners with a long-term focus. Start small, start simple. Jumping into Forex trading can be exciting, especially with all the possibilities it offers. For beginners, it's important to learn the basics, such as the different markets, the most traded pairs, and getting to know some of the simpler trading strategies. Starting small is a smart move, or start trading on a demo without risking any real money. Once you have built up some experience and feel more confident, you can figure out how to proceed and decide what your long-term goals are. No matter which stage of the journey you are in, it is essential to keep learning as you go, and not forget that patience and discipline are a major part of Forex trading.